you tryna be cute with no lashes on. Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes on.
Hey y'all, it's Justus and I'm back with another video. So let's get into making a business card. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. So we're starting off with our favorite app right now, PicsArt. And you're gonna go down to the drawings and create a new one. And since we're making a business card, I chose that one because it looked the most like a business card. So the 1920 by 1080. Boom, press the arrow, boom, edit, boom, okay. Then here we are. So you want to add your logo. Remember we made a logo. If you did not watch my video and you need to make a logo, go watch that video and then come back to this one. So that's the logo that we made. And this is going to be a very simple business card. I'm going to have another one that I've already recorded and everything. And it's going to show you how to make, one of those business cards that look like a credit card that everybody like. But we're not paying that, sis. We're not paying that, period. So I just added a little slogan. And I'm using the, color finder to add the same look pink. I call it Pepto-Bismol pink because who wants that pink? But everybody love pink now, so you know what it is. I don't got a favorite color, so I'm gonna get off y'all and y'all favorite color. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna find a social media handle. Now, depending on you, you might have multiple social medias. You might have an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, whatever you got. Since we ain't hating on you, go ahead and find it in the stickers area. Whichever one that you like. They have all different type of colors, to go with your business. And add them on there. And then you're going to type in your business name besides it. So you want to size it up, you know what I'm saying? I move stuff around a lot because it's really all trial and error. Put it somewhere, see if you like it there. If you don't like it, put it somewhere else. So then I'm just making up a business IG. I kept forgetting how to spell Luscious. This ain't my business. Like I told y'all, my name of my business is Leah Moore Beauty. I just already have a logo, so I'm just, doing this to show you guys how to create a logo. So I was just making, and I was like, the Luscious Minx. Because you see that a lot. People love to put the, you feel me? Like Megan Thee Stallion, you feel me? But whatever. So, cool. And I was like, what color? So you don't want to constantly put the same color, but you want it all to go together. Unless you have a rainbow theme, you want to make sure that everything is within your color. Now this is a very simple business card. This is just a front sided, simple, to the point business card. You just need something to get you started. You need to get your foot in the door, you know what I'm saying? You're just trying to hurry up and get your products out there, you know what I'm saying? This is that. This is to get it done, period. But I'm going to have more business cards coming. So, something for everybody, a little here and there. But yeah, okay, I don't know why I'm so extra. So then I didn't really like where I had the affordable blinks. So I was playing around with that. And then I am going to go in and I'm going to add the website in just a minute. It's not a real website. I just made this up. I don't know if anybody even has a business name, Luscious Minx. I would guess so because it's kind of a simple name. But yeah, don't be stealing nobody's name. You feel me? And if you want this logo, hit me up. You got to steal it, baby. Hit me up. I'll give it to you. Anywho, so this is me trying to remember how to spell Luscious Minx and just creating a website, putting it there, boom. So I went with gray because I didn't want to do too much pink. And the name is actually white and black if you watch the other video when I made the logo. So yeah, gray is good, gray cool or whatever. So then we just getting our colors together, you know what I'm saying? Make everything pop, pop, pop. And then I decided to go back with the pink, you know what I'm saying? The Pepto-Bismol pink, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyways, do that or whatever. And that is pretty much everything that I did, right? I just made sure everything was sized up properly. Everything meets the eye. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I did on this one. Now I could have went in and added some more diamonds, kind of did a little bit more. I do take suggestions, y'all. I'm just doing stuff right now just in case you are trying to start a business. This kind of just help you get going. If you're not really savvy with, what I'm saying, creating stuff, or you don't really have the funds or want to pay somebody. You might got the funds, you might got the coins and just don't want to pay. That's cool. Save them, because I'm going to help you, sis. I got more on the way. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, because there's so much more to come. And make sure you comment what you want to see next. Love y'all. Stay blessed.